In this video, I want to show you the info in the box in the lower section of your Pandora page. If you click here, you can view information about the artist that is currently playing. You can also see album information and info about the song, find the lyrics, and see what other Pandora users are fans of this music as well. You can access the bookmarked songs and artist section of your profile, as well as your friends. There are also genre stations that you can subscribe to. So if you really like, let's say, reggae, click on that, select the type you like, and you'll see that you instantly have a new station appear based on that type of reggae. This is also where you'll find out how to use Pandora on your mobile device. Just select your device and follow the instructions on how to download it. Pandora also has a free video station where you can find videos on music, how music is made, and other related content. Just check out this page to see what's currently available and click on Watch Now to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Custom Internet Radio with Pandora series.
Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.